Hey everyone, here's the yellow gold casting of a diamond wedding band we designed for a client in Atlanta. The overall shape of the design is pretty common, but their customer is wanting one minor change that you typically don't see on a ring like this. That was to have the bars, if you will, be flat on top and slightly rounded on the sides. Normally each one has a rounded or domed surface to it that enhances the shine and reflects that mirror finish. Making them flat doesn't change a lot design-wise, but after the high polish is added, it'll give the ring a more reserved look, which isn't a bad thing. It's still going to be one sharp looking ring. And lastly, the customer's 5.8mm round diamond is going to be 4-prong set. They wanted it set as low as possible, so the center setting has about a 0.8mm clearance for setting. We typically don't like to go below 1mm, but their customer is adamant about having it set as low as possible. It shouldn't be a problem, but the reason why is after cleanup and polishing, that clearance could wind up being closer to 0.5mm. If you're looking to have a custom wedding band design, contact us today. We can make just about anything you can imagine and are always more than happy to help. Thanks for watching.